Hey guys, it's me, Lila, and I'm gonna put on makeup today.
Tell them what you're gonna do.
You're hilarious.
No, you are not gonna push me. No,
Come on, Kate.
no, you are not.
Do your hair, Kate.
We're going to Frozen 2 today.
Hey,
So we get the brush and put it
can you guys tape
in.
Frozen 2 with Mommy's phone the whole movie? Will you keep an eye on Olaf and Sven for me?
Put it on my cheek.
Will you keep an eye on Olaf and Sven for me?
Oh, Olaf. My Olaf that I made.
Yeah.
He is doing good in my mouth.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Be quiet. Now we're gonna put the white on. It's kind of hard to open this. So you put the glitter white on the brush, and then you hit it all over our face.
And your neck, huh?
And now it's time for the something. Blush.
Stand on here.
How do we do blush?
Put that on.
On your cheeks.
Okay.
Beautiful.
No, I don't want that. Now we're going to use the pink again.
She's gonna put it up. She's put it to the side so she can work. You gotta keep your head straight.
Okay, got it. Done. Time for this. To pop it open, you have to go on this side and press the little button that you pop it on. And then it will open.
So dirty.
Get the littlest one and put the pink all over your face, even on your neck, and the purple all over your face, all over your neck. Stop.
I'm following it, baby.
Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe. Bye.